How to fix Snapchat hook with driver on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So first you will just open your settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. Then you will find all the application that you have on your phone. You will search for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat guys, just open it like this and go to storage. And on storage you have to go to clear data like this, click OK, and go back to first tab, click OK, and you have to go to home page of your phone and go to Play Store or App Store and update Snap again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next.